Hey everybody, it is Gavin back in the kitchen with my good lady wife Christy. Today we are doing a vegetarian recipe.
Bean balls! All right, maybe it doesn't sound that exciting. However, as a vegetarian, I still get cravings for spaghetti and meatballs. And since I don't eat meat, this was my way to get my cravings satisfied. And the kids like it. So come on, I'll show you, it's not so bad.
So we diced up some red bell pepper, some yellow onion into a fine dice, added that into our hot saute pan with a little drizzle of olive oil. We sauteed that with some fresh garlic for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we added in our stalks from our kale leaves. So we're gonna use up all of our vegetables, sauteing that, added some salt and pepper, a little dried oregano, get all the flavors sort of marrying together.
So because I'm vegetarian, I'm on dinner duty quite often, and this little guy is very good at eating my vegetarian meals. This is one of my recipes that I have on rotation quite often. It's a great way for me to get my meat fixed with spaghetti and meatballs, and it's also a great way to hide the veggies for the kids that don't like the veggies too much. So we're starting with 2 cups of white beans. These are freshly made white beans. So we're scooping the kale, the onion, bell pepper mixture into the white beans. So we have our bean mixture here. Go on, sir, add in 1 egg. Okay. And then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. I like to use the Italian seasoning breadcrumbs, or Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. You can use panko, you can use whatever you have. All right, so with our mixture, you can use about 1 tablespoon or so. You want them to be about golf ball size.
Dancing lady.
Well, I guess there goes dinner. But actually, it's a good point. Beans make a good snack too. So whenever they're getting narky doing homework, which is all the time, put a plate down and leave. That's what I do.
How fun was that? Listen, we're all stuck at home right now. This is a great way to get the kids involved, cooking and excited about food, and more importantly, making their own dinner. It's fantastic. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. If you like the videos, please subscribe, leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you, and we'll catch you next time. Cheers.